Namaste. We celebrate the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation today. It's a celebration of his contribution to our nation, India. The lifestyle of Gandhiji was very simple. At the same time, he possessed a very powerful personality. His fight for freedom was through ahimsa, non-violence. He was never afraid to walk in front of guns without any weapon. He taught lessons of ahimsa, non-violence to many people across the world. And so, the day is also celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence by the United Nations. Even today, people all around the world remember and respect Mahatma Gandhi because of the selfless actions of many great people under the strong leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. We enjoy the fragrance of freedom today. When we look into the life of every great people like our Gandhiji, we can see that they are simple, selfless and compassionate and have an intrinsic motivation to achieve a broader goal which makes the life of many people better. Yes, students, we enjoy the freedom today only because of the pain of someone else yesterdays. So, we have the responsibility to be responsible. Have a big vision in your life which makes not only your life better, but the vision which makes our nation, the whole world, a better place to live for everyone, beyond caste, creed, everything. Be the voice of the suppressed. Never hesitate to lend a helping hand to people who are in need. Always uphold truth and non-violence in your life. Be a Mahatma of tomorrow. Best wishes. Thank you.
Namaste, teachers, parents and students. Today, October 2nd, the nation is celebrating Gandhi Jayanti, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. I am happy our school is also celebrating online the Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Ji was a person who influenced not only the life and the politics of India alone, but the whole world. He had an extremely unique way in political philosophy as an extraordinary personal life. He was a person who walked the talk. Whatever values and principles he preached, he practiced them in his personal life. That's why he told, "My life is my message." People who fought for the freedom of their nations, as well as the people who are deprived, has followed the principles of Mahatma Gandhi. Leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela are the finest examples. In this context, I would like to quote a statement made by Albert Einstein, the greatest scientist of all times, about Gandhi. Einstein told, "Generations to come will scarce believe that such a one as this ever in flesh and blood walked upon this earth." When the world is passing through or torn by the religious fanaticism, terrorism, and materialism, the principles and preachings of Mahatma Gandhi has great relevance. Let us all, at least for a day, stand together and try to implement what is that great man has preached. With these few words, I wish our school a very successful online Gandhi Jayanti program, as well as congratulate the teachers who are behind organizing this program. Jai Hind.
Good morning to all. On this 2nd October, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti every year. The birthday of our great legendary leader Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, or Bapuji. Without he, we couldn't have a freedom. He was a great supporter of peace, unity and non-violence. His great message to us, my life is my message. That is, we have to synchronize our thoughts, words and actions. Stick on truth, on non-violence is very important. Dear students, you must read about our great national leader Gandhiji during this occasion. This Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated to remember us the great sacrifice he made to achieve our freedom through a non-violent movement. We have to develop good thoughts, good words and good actions. Truth will only success always. Bhavan's PTA extends our greetings to you all. Stay safe. Thank you.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the father of our nation, an individual of high merit and a man of high wisdom. Such was his wisdom that influenced the world and the one who was a firm believer of the path of truth and non-violence. Namaste. I'm Gauri Naina Biju from class 9A. Today, on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, we all are here to celebrate the birth anniversary of the greatest man of all times, Mahatma Gandhi. Born in 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. This year, it is the 152nd birth anniversary of the man who was ahead of his time. His ideologies of non-violence and ahimsa impacted the lives of many great individuals like Martin Luther King Jr. and still didn't fail to influence our lives today. Gandhiji was a lawyer by profession. At the age of 19, he went to London to finish his higher studies. After his studies, he went to South Africa with his wife Kasturba Gandhi and resided there for many years. He led a very simple life there but was very active in the movements which led to the fighting injustice of Indians living in South Africa. His struggles for the injustice and unlawful acts led to the civil disobedience movement in Africa, which started in the year 1906. At several points of his life, Gandhiji was imprisoned by the British. But he never chose the path of violence. Instead, he gave his voice more power by doing strikes for days with no food. His contributions to the Indian people are undebatable, and we Indians are truly indebted by his sheer dedication to provide us with a free country. He struggled for many years to gain independence from the logs of British rule. He made it possible not with force or violence, but with the message of peace. It's not at all enough to talk about Mahatma Gandhi's values and deeds, but we, as the future of our country, can honor him by living our lives with his principles of truth, peace and non-violence and lead our country to an incredible nation. Thank you.
Gandhiji at the time of Ukku Satyagraha. Rekupa
On 2nd October, every year India celebrates a national holiday in remembrance and honor of the birth of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi as Gandhi Jayanti. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who is also famously referred to as Mahatma Gandhi, was given the title of Father of the Nation by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose for his relentless struggles for our independence. Today is his 152nd birth anniversary, and we are here to revisit the principles via which he led his life and fought for independence. He devoted his life to relentlessly working towards spreading awareness about the importance of equality, peace, and harmony in brotherhood. His principles and values still hold great value, and people consider it to be the right path to follow, and these ideas were spread by many of his disciples, literature writers, and artists. Indians gained freedom under the leadership of Gandhiji, but his dream of a clean India is still unfulfilled. Mahatma Gandhi said, "Sanitation is more important than independence." He made cleanliness and sanitation an integral part of the Gandhian way of living. His dream was total sanitation for all. Cleanliness is most important for physical well-being and a healthy environment. It has bearing on public and personal hygiene. It is essential for everyone to learn about cleanliness, hygiene, sanitation, and the various diseases that are caused due to poor hygienic conditions. The habits learned at a young age get embedded into one's personality. Even if we inculcate certain habits like washing hands before meals, regular brushing of teeth, and bathing from a young age, we are not bothered about cleanliness of public places. Mahatma Gandhi said, "I will not let anyone walk through my mind with their dirty feet." On 2nd October 2014, the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched a nationwide cleanliness campaign on the occasion of Mahatma Gandhi's birth anniversary. The concept of Swachh Bharat is to provide sanitation facilities to every family, including toilets, solid and liquid waste disposal systems, village cleanliness, and safe and adequate drinking water supply. It is about time to give the much needed push to the Swachh Bharat mission to fulfill Mahatma Gandhi's dream of having a clean India that was free from sanitation woes and social stigma attached to cleaning. Thank you.